You'll encounter the Pythagorean theorem often on the test. The Pythagorean theorem states that a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where a and b are the sides of the right triangle and c is the hypotenuse. There are several repeatable common triangles that show up, and we call these special triangles. The first one is a 30-60, where you have angles of 30 degrees and 60 degrees. In this case, we designate the short side as S. The longer side is determined by multiplying the short side by the square root of 3, and the hypotenuse is arrived at by multiplying the short side by 2. A good way to remember this is that it's the square root of 3 because 30 starts with a 3. And the hypotenuse is twice the short side because 60 is twice 30. We call this one the 45-45 right triangle because it has two equal sides that are created by two equal angles of 45 degrees. You determine the hypotenuse of this triangle by multiplying length of the short side by the square root of 2. The last one is what we call a triplet. It shows up all the time, and it's a 3-4-5 right triangle, or that ratio, for instance, 6-8-10.